What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to fix the error that Debugger has been found running in your system. You have to unload it, how to essentially fix this. So there's two ways to kind of go about it. The first thing, or three I guess, the first simple one is straight up restart your computer and run that application again. See if that helps. If not, reinstall said application, see if that helps. I'm just giving like the easiest ones right off the bat. Hopefully you've already tried them and you've kind of sadly failed. What you want to do next is, this is where you're going to basically kind of easily fix this, is you want to go to your search bar and you want to write misconfig and you want to open this up. You want to hover over to boot, and in here you want to click advanced options. In here we're going to basically check this debug component and press OK. Once you do this, you can restart your computer, try one more time with whatever application you were, and then you'll see and you'll be good to go and you will not get this error any longer. So yeah, like I said, it's a very quick fix, very quick tutorial. Just try that out and you should be good to go. And that's basically it. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that Multi-Tutorials out.